Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Day here again from Mike Pero Real Estate, and welcome along to my brand new listing here in popular Prebbleton. This one's an entertainer's dream. It's a luxury home sitting on 1,000 square meters of land. It was built 4 years ago, so all the hard work's been done and it's ready for you to move in. So let's go and take a look. As you can see, this home has plenty of space. The floor plan includes 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, triple car garaging, separate laundry, you've got the chef's kitchen, butler's pantry, and great open plan living areas. You've got 96 square meters of decking out the back here, which flows onto a wedding venue type setting. Guys, you're going to be the second owners of this property, and I look forward to seeing you at my next open home.